Welcome back. Fatauda MLA Vijay Sardesai has made it clear that the group of independent MLAs is not formed to keep any pressure on the government. Replying to MLA Avirtano Furtado's claim that he wasn't aware about the happenings at the group function, Sardesai said that elected representatives are fully aware of their acts and they should not claim ignorance. However, ex-MLA of Fatauda Damu Naik had something else to say.
Group of 5 independent MLAs launched by Fatauda MLA Vijay Sardesai has caught itself in controversy. The group also includes a Labour and Fisheries Minister Avirtano Furtado. Sources claim that the group has been formed as a pressure group. Vijay Sardesai has rubbished the claims. Moreover, replying to Avirtano's statement that he was not aware about the pressure group, this is what Vijay had to say.
जे कोण इलेक्शनाक उबे रावतात तांकां मिनिमम 21 वर्सां आसची पडटा. 21 वर्सां जाल्ले मनशाक सगळें खबर आसता तो दूध पिना. सो हाजेर फुडें म्हाका कांय उलोवपाक ना, उलोवपाची इच्छा ना. कोणूच पिसो न्ही, जो निवडून येता तो सगळ्यांक खबर आसता आपूण कितें करता आनी आपूण कितें करता तें कोणा खातीर बरें आसता तें. हांव कोणाकूच दिशाभूल करून त्रासान घालूंक सोदना आनी हांव कोणाचोच सपोर्ट वापरून एक कितें ब्लॅकमेल जाल्यार आमी कितें तरी एक प्रेशर ग्रुप करून नेगोशिएट करूंक सोदना.
Ex-Fatauda MLA Damu Naik reacted in his own style.
समजा जर एक मिनिस्टराक जर खंय तरी दिवली पेटोवपाक आपयलो, ताका फोटोन आपयलो काय कितें आपयलो ते सगळे लोक जाणा. सो मिनिस्टर आपूण जावनूच स्टेटमेंट दितलो. ही स्टेटमेंट इज देयर. He said rightly that he is with the government. There is no any force like. तसलें कांयच ना. सो फ्रस्ट्रेटेड थोडे कोण जाल्ले आसा, थोडे ते इनडायरेक्टली दाखोवपाक सोदतात की स्टील साउंड ऑफ एम्प्टी वेसल की आपूण स्टील इन द हे म्हणून फोर्स वीच इज कळटलें. टायम आसा फुडें खूब 4.5 वर्सां आसा कित्याक हें.
A reporter from Panji Lokik Shilkar, from Margaon Samir Bhatt, with video journalist Tulsidas Chari.
The Chief Minister Manohar Parrikar has made it clear that Justice Pensey Commission's report on the GCA fake ticket scam is still valid as the case is of criminal nature. Parrikar says he will seek a legal advice on reopening the inquiry report. In the year 2005, the cabinet headed by then Chief Minister Pratap Singh Rane had decided to stop the implementation of the recommendations in the report.
Maybe. I don't know. I don't know what has happened. So I have said that you put up the file to me for reconsideration because Pensey Commission was accepted by cabinet earlier. Another cabinet note tried to subvert it. It was based on a High Court decision. So I will check out the legality. पण म्हाका पोरणी भुतां सगळीच काडून जाय म्हणून काडूंक जाय अशें ना. पण ताजो सद्याचे जे क्रिकेटीन गोंयचो चल्ला ते म्हाका दिसता बरें हेल्दी ना इतलें हांव सांगूंक शकता. कोण जबाबदार आहा ते तुमी.
In February 2005, the cabinet headed by then CM Pratap Singh Rane had decided to stop the implementation of the recommendations of Pensey Commission, and the entire report was treated as non-acceptable. Meanwhile, Chetan Desai, who's heading the 2-member committee, will serve the notice to GCA on Saturday.
I have given a letter to the police department asking for protection. Then I have also given letters to the bank, Federal Bank, Panjim branch and Mapsa branch, so as to stop the payment with immediate effect. And also I went to the GCA office to give them a letter because I need various documents because the complaints have been filed by the club and I have to see what it is. But the gates were locked and there was some order put up there that I have to, not me, anybody has to call somebody or the other, I don't know. The number is given there. So let me see, I will go tomorrow and see what I can do.
Bureau Report, Prudent Media.
Margaon Municipality has finally decided to act upon the complaint of shopkeepers in Margaon Municipal Market and the consumers. Municipal officers inspected the market and assured necessary measures before monsoon. They have also appealed the shopkeepers to clear the passage in the market.
The chairperson of Margaon Municipality, Arthur De Silva, and vice chairperson Pratima Coutinho, along with the market inspector, inspected the new Margaon Municipal Market. They have noted down the problems faced by the people.
आज मोबायलाचे आनी दुसरे सायन सगळे आसा पळय एडवर्टायझिंग बोर्ड आसा ते म्हाका दिसता तेमी आमी काडपा परस तेमी जर पयलीं काडून वयले जाल्यार बरें जातलें. आनी कितें आहा तें टॅक्सी कायद्यान फारीक करपाचें. कित्याक आमकां कितले जाय तितले मार्केटां पळय लोकांक इतले प्रॉब्लेम जाल्ले आहा म्हाका दिसाक नियरली 15 ते 20 कंप्लेंटी येता की मार्केटान भितर चलपाक मेळना, सगळे दोनी सायडीन एक कॉमन पॅसेज म्हण आसता ती ना म्हणून दोनी सायडीन सगळे वाडोवपाक लागला. ते म्हाका दिसता मार्केटकारांनी सगळ्यांनी एक जावन आनी जो मार्केटाचो प्रेसिडेंट आहा तेणे हय सगळें त्यांचे भितरच करून समजून घेवन ह्या 2 दिसां भितर क्लियर करपाचें.
आमी आयज इन्स्पेक्शन केलें न्यू मार्केटाचें. खुबशी गजाली आमी पळयल्यान जे खरेंच पत्रे अशें आसा की लिकेज जाता. आतां प्री मन्सून येता, मागीर पॅसेजीचें आमी इन्स्पेक्शन केलें. थंय लोकांनी शॉपकिपर्सांनी पॅसेज म्हणटा ती पॅसेज दवरुना, अख्ख्या रस्त्यार पॅसेजीचेर सगळे प्लास्टिकाचें सामान घालून दवरलां. ते आमी डायरेक्टली तांकां सांगलें हें कोता येवपाना म्हणून.
Municipality has asked the shopkeepers to voluntarily vacate the passage in the market. A reporter from Margaon, Xavier Dice.
Let's take a short break. Stay tuned.